I'm back. For maishidido. This is how the video was supposed to be made, wallahi. Sidan ba la rabay na la sameyo. Unsi maishidido. This is how they're supposed to make this video. Okay, maan badana. Feels good. Guys, I'm smelling like woo! I smell so good when oh my god, it feels so good. Okay, waxaan macaan badana. Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. I should be the video girl. What ya? Hesta niya heste. I should be the video girl. Guys, I need to be in the second video. This song, they have to make another video. Because wahan doesn't make sense. Oh my god. They need to be serious. Hesta wa inang ku shiro because Unsiga is not for timaha wa silka. Everybody knows that. Hoyoyinke na yo ayayashe na they used to do that. Shit. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so tired. Some Ugandan music, of course. I'm from Uganda. But guys, what do you think? I need cough or I need to be hestas. You want me to repeat it again? Wallah, usigan is good. It's healthy. Guys, add me on Snapchat. I post a lot of things like this. Anyone from Uganda? Yes, this is so healthy. Unsi is part of our culture. Silka. Wahan makle samnago, they don't even shower. They just put unsi. That's it. Bain ako besatif. I'm getting old. I used to dance so well. Okay. Who wants the song again? Should we play Unsi? Party on a Saturday. Guys, this dress is like... Oh my god, add me on Snapchat. My Snapchat is poppin'. The name is right there. Is Ashita XX. I'm gonna play the Unsi song again because I see a lot of people just joined us. Let me play the song. I'll be back. So, guys, please add my Snapchat. 700 people are watching me. Please add me on Snap. There's more stuff there. Sorry, I can't do it on my Facebook, but there's so much stuff I post in my Snap. So you wanna follow me on Snap? Go ahead. Ya igu asumo iyado halala. Guys, add me on Snap, okay? I have posted so much on my Snap. Add me on Snap. I'm sorry. The people that are calling me, I'm gonna do the Unsi song one more time, and I'm gonna go. Okay. I am sorry. So, I am so sorry, guys. This is, I haven't done this in a while on my live video. I just want to say, guys, add me on Snap. I post a lot of things there. You know, Facebook, they will not accept us to post some things. Like, I'm always naked on my Snapchat, so you can watch me there. Like, not naked, but looking glamorous and all that. So yeah, add me on Snap. That was good. How wanakuita dilo tomboy. Exactly. Somalis are hypocrites. Wallahi, hadda gusko da way kusigaysan. Allah, Shanti, I'm coming, baby. Dabadan kawasaki. And then they're acting here like Dilo, because I don't recognize you, motherfucker. Let me block this one, Horta. Kanan block Garena. They, you know, the reason why they call me names is because I don't reply their messages. Oh my god, I can't stand people that don't know how to speak English. I'm sorry. I love Somali people, but hadan af English I can't deal with you. And that's the problem they have, because I think I don't know how. Nasser said, I can't stop laughing. Wallahi, you make my day. But waxas waa runde. Wallahi, hadda waxa ku sheegan dilo because message-yaashooda ma soo jawaabayo, ma la hadlayo. So way iska xanaaqayaan, which is okay. Then waxay sheegan dilo sharmuuta because kama soo jawaabayo. Guskoodana hadda wallahi wayba sigeysteen. Dad Somali ugu kacsi badan weligaygi ma arkin. I'ma be honest, like, I've seen that kacsi leeyahan, but Somalida ugu, oh my god, they are the most horny people, and they judge. I'm not gonna get tired talking about Somali people on my Facebook. I'll talk about them as long as they talk shit about me. So kuwa o shege dilo. Let me ask you something. If I'm dilo, maxay iga fiirsanaysaa? Qofku qasbe oo bastoolad madaxa kugu kene oo ku sheegay gabadha soo fiirso ma jirta? No, waa maya, right? So waa adiga choose garaysay inaad fiirsatid. You have to watch it or you have to leave it. It's that simple. Qofku qasbe ma jirto. So I don't understand why people are calling people names. Yes, Mohammed, I am a very honest person. You know, I don't know how to sugarcoat. You know, I live my life to the fullest. I love dancing. It's just who I am. Like, I grew up dancing, and I felt like the Unsi maishidido, the song, sorry guys, people are calling me. They didn't actually show us the way it's supposed to be. The culture, the Unsi is supposed to be put, you know, between the legs. I've seen that my mom do. Hold on, guys. Let me block this motherfucker call. So I have seen my ayayashe, my aunties, they put Unsi in between the legs. So when the song came out, I love it. Unsi maishidido, like it's guys, oh my god, people are just calling me. It's upsetting me. But Unsi maishidido is like, the music is different, you know. It has like Afrobeat, it has like an African type of music to it. It has a little bit of salsa. It's interesting, you understand. They did a very different type of music, and I'm really proud of the guy. But I know the name is Unsi, and I like it. Okay, so the song is amazing, but they just didn't have the right content. I feel like Unsiga was supposed to be put in between the legs. I didn't see Somali girls in the video. I think, I'm not sure if I'm right. If I'm wrong, correct me. But Unsiga, gabdaha was supposed to wear dur'iyasha. You know what I mean? Like, that's what we wear, like, for nimankena when we are home. Like, dira' fi'an or khafif, if she wore that with no bra, no panty. I mean, she could wear a panty, but no bra would actually